Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy August. Oh my gosh, hottest month of the year, especially here in Vegas. So I have a little twist that I'm doing today. So I have a new binder. I don't know, some of you old school or OGs would remember this was my Monday Minis binder for a very long time. So I'm super stoked to have this back. I love it. I won this actually from Sean at A to Z Budgets. Love her channel, love her gameplay. So I have my cow binder. I've got my other little dice tower with the little mushrooms. So I've got like a pink and yellow thing going on. I know inside you'll see it is blue and yellow, but I don't know, I'm just throwing in some pinks. So the twist today is going to be, I've seen like Dawn play like Anna Banana, and a lot of people play. Anna Banana created that like daily savings where you roll and you put, decide if you roll a D3 or a D6 or all that. And then I'm drawing a blank. Who came up with like, let's put it into different categories. Well, I don't have a lot of different categories that I'm saving for. So I decided my twist is taking their inspiration. I am going to bring $10 to $12 a day. So if I bring $12, I'm going to roll a D6 and whatever I roll will go into this. And it's a category of the month. And this month it's going to be my $1,000 savings for my 1,000th video, which I put to the side and then I put binders on it. So this is free on my Ko-fi. I don't know, like a week or so ago, I put up my 1,000th video, which is insane to think about. And each bubble is $10 because circles and bubbles, love it. Or you can make the circle, bubble, whatever amount you want, and you can write that there. But I'm just so thankful for you guys. And again, saving $1,000 is a little intimidating, so I decided to put it as part of my dailies. So now I have my $12. I have my binder, and my inserts come from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. So we have our bank. I've got prop coins, and I think this is the $6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this should be the $6, all 25 cents. And then whatever we don't save for my extra category of the month, I'll add it into my dailies. So that should help speed up my dailies and get these moving a little bit more. So all of these are from Kimmy. She has them for sale on her Etsy. And it is so, look at number 6. So then we have a bunch in our queue. And then when we've completed one, I'm still going to stuff these right away just because I really like having that money there. But I will put the completed challenge here. So I am going to actually add my category of the month in the back like that. And then probably on my Friday videos, or when I hit a certain amount of money, or at the end of the month, haven't figured out how I'm going to do it, I might take the lump sum and just put it in, because that the $1,000 I'm going to move into my Friday night video. Okay, so let's roll to see, and I'm going to use my Ursula die. Thought she was pretty. So let's use Ursula, see what we're going to save of this $6 I'm bringing in for my extra category, or my category for something extra. 6! We got the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No ones for me today. No extra money in my... And then I wrote over one of my circles. So I have 31 circles because there's 31 days in August, and I'm not really writing in the amount. I'm just circling that I did that day, but I'm going to do it over the word that I typed, that I wrote in. So now that one circle's done, and then I'll kind of go down here. So it's kind of like a pink lemonade thing going on, even though I don't really like pink lemonade, but well, so much for some extra coins. We don't need that today. We'll move Ursula out of the way. I have my D3 that we will use. Should we take them out? Let's take them out. Why not? All right, so now we're gonna do, oh, glare, that's probably why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm seeing the crookedness, I am. Okay, so we are gonna, let's start again. Well, not start again, like, sorry, I have an editor now and I don't want him to think we have to start over. So now I'm gonna put my $6 into our bank because we already have money in the bank because we're already using these challenges. This is moved over from the Friday. I'm so tired, you guys, I'm so sorry. From July. So all the challenges in here, I just kind of rolled over into my August. So this should be, now I have to count it for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we have $6. I'm gonna roll a D3 and whatever number, no, we're not doing that. We're just gonna start at 1 and it's gonna go that way and we're just gonna put however many prop coins down. 1 for 1, 1 for 2, ooh, 2 for 3, 1, 2, 3 for 4, 2 for 5, 2 for 6, 1 for 1, 2 for 2, 1 for 3, 2 for 4, 1, 2, 3 for 5, 2 for 6, and 2 more. So 1 and 2. So I need a paper clip. I did not think about that. Oh, I had a perfect one. Where did it go? All right, well, we're going to use this one. This is also perfect, but not the one I had in mind. So this will be the one we start with. Okay, so I'm going to scoot that. Got my little yellow candle. And these are Pen and Gear Classic Marker Broadline, and they're pretty good. They do smear a little bit with some of the ink, but again, I bought a bunch of markers a long time ago, so we are going to make use of all the ones that I bought. Okay, so we are going to put all of this here. All right, let's start with number 1. We got 75 cents, and number 1 has the prettiest dashboard. All right, so we have this cute one. We still have sharks. So we have from Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves. We can do 3 more TVs. So 1, 2, and 3. And this is done. So we'll just set those there. Put this back in here. Let's see how much. I should be looking up at the screen to see what you can see. All right, so we'll put that back in there. And then number 2. Number 2 got 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 2 got $1. Oh, we just needed 50 cents. Yay! So we can put 50 cents there. And we'll put that one in a new one. All right, so we finished these 2 from Kimmy's Corner. Billy the Big Mouth Bass. I think that's what it was. All right, and then chickens. So this is going to save us $6 going to Walmart Plus. So I'm just going to set that right there, and we need a new one to put in number 2, which, let's see what this one is. Reduce, reuse, recycle from Saving with Sam. So each one is 25 cents, and it will save us $3. So we have two arrows we can do. I don't know how this is going to stay, so we're just going to test it out today. 1 and 2. Doesn't look too bad. We'll let that dry for a second. And then number 3 got 75 cents. And this looks like my back to school shark. If I can get it out. Yep. So we're going back to school. So we have 75 cents. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. Put this back in here. We are done with those. All right, number 4. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, so $1.25. Oh, that's this really pretty one from Cynthia Budgets. I'll have her YouTube channel linked below. So let's mark off, let's see, we can do $1.25. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So the whole top row. And that is number 4. Love it. All right, number 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1.25 going into number 5. I am loving the yellow with the greens and blues and pinks. All right, this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we haven't started it yet, so we can do 25, 50, 75, $1.25. Perfect. All right. And then last but not least, we have number 6. Oh my God, the little faces on that is so cute. So we have $1. And this one is, from Dresden Files, so we can do 4. So we can't do the whole row, but we can do most of it. Let's see, I don't know if this pink will show up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, kinda. I think I can see it because I see it on the outline. All right, so that is that one. This is from Amanda O. And I'll have to ask Kimmy if we can get it or how to get it, because I tried to find on my Ko-fi and I couldn't find it. Okay, so we finished one today. So let's go back and put our prop coins away. So we will put our prop coins here. And then I'm going to put the extra ones in the back here, I think, in case we need them, unless we keep rolling 6s. All right, and then we saved $6. So let's go to our bank. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is going for, oops, Q. Where did my completed go? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Walmart Plus. So I'm going to put these in here. Oh my gosh, I love this theme. Okay. Walmart Plus. It's like a binder catastrophe about to fall. Okay, so let's see. Walmart Plus is getting $6. And let's see what we have in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, love it. Okay, so that is everything for the very first day in our August daily savings. So I hope you guys hang out with me this month. I hope you like the little twist. I love seeing the community and what they're doing out there, and like such great ideas and inspiration to do something that I thought would fit my budget and all that a little bit. So I'm excited. I hope, if you don't know what I'm talking about, please go check out Anna Banana Budgets. And is it Sitchy Saves? I think that's who is doing the other, like if you have leftover after you do your roll. So, all right guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope to see you tomorrow and have a great rest of your day. Take care. Bye.